everyone, it is me,
Bruh.
Eli's Innovation Tips and Gaming, and today we are doing another scripting series, part 2. So last video we did about this thingamajigger, and so we did have a lot of fun with that. It was pretty insane, and yeah, we did pretty much good stuff with things, but now, today, we are going to get into more stuff. Today, we're going to delete that script. Today, we're going to work on a new thing, and it's called printing! Now, printing is basically used for, you might be asking, first of all, hey, printing, but I know got paper copy.
Bruh.
No, it's not that. Printing is something that comes in the output of certain games such as this and enters it with a field of text that you want. For example, let's just say I print something saying hello. It'll pop up right here, and yeah, it'll be good. Anyway, so we're gonna learn how to do that. So first of all, let's go ahead and insert object. Now I noticed in the other video it doesn't show up, and so yeah. But all you need to do, just press the plus sign, and there should be a thing called search object. Just press script. Now yeah, you can't really see what I'm doing right here, but technically I'm literally hovering over a big thing. Just press script. Wow, that's how you do.
Bruh.
Now let's go ahead and do this. Anyway, now. It's printing. Let's go ahead and get into it. So, printing is, well, you know what I said. So, let's know how to do that. So, we're gonna put the keyword print. Now, print is a built-in function in Roblox that usually happens in the start of a script. Like, for example, the original text, print hello world. So, what that does is basically, let's just put hello. Hello, Eli. Hello, Eli. And so we're just going to put that in. Now, you might be asking, what's it going to do? Well, you're going to find out right now. Now, look at this. As you can see, oh, hang on. It's just these weird things. But you can see the first thing we have, hello, Eli. Now, that's the text that it executed from the script to the server client. Now, the clients cannot see this, but the server can. If you don't know what I mean, I will talk to you. Clients is basically the player itself. It's
Bruh.
the thing that just plays the thing. It's just another player's screen. While the server is basically everything that controls the thing. It's not playing, it's just observing everything and making sure everything's checked for another script to happen. And so yeah. Also, weird thing, you could actually put in parts in there, but we'll get into that. It actually is helpful. But so, that's only a little thing, but let's go into further detail. So, print hello Eli, that's a simple thing, but we're going to try to put our names in it. Now, what you want to do is you're going to erase the Eli or whatever you put, and put 2 dots. Now, 2 dots basically indicate a space between a string. Basically, this is a string text. A string text is basically just text, and so yeah. So there's gonna be this thingamajigger. So all you need to do is just put dots, and then now you're gonna go ahead and put quotation marks. Now it should automatically put 2 doubles. If it doesn't, then just put it quickly. Now, actually no, delete those. Alright, so what you wanna do is we're gonna make a first event. Now, events are basically, we're gonna do the short one. Game. Now remember, game is the inside object, and this time we're gonna contact a new service called players. Now players is basically the client hosts of the characters. The characters and stuff go in the workspace, while the client goes into the players. So for example, now it's not gonna print because it has an error, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you what it does. So look. As you go into the players, you realize that there's a thing called QTutorial12, which is my username, and you see every stuff. So look, this is my character inside the thing. This is my character. Sorry if I look gray, it's just because of my internet. But I look gray. That's because, well, you know, it's not looked in yet. But this is the character, this is the thing inside the game, and this is the server host. If I delete that, everything goes bye-bye, you see? So yeah, that's how it works. So we're gonna put game that player added. So this is a little event called player added. It is basically when a player joins the game, or so-called a character. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, a character joins the game. So now we're gonna put game that player added column connect. Now, column connect is basically just a thing that connects with the server issue. It basically it connects to a certain function that makes it happen. Like for example, connect cat. When you connect like for example, you say hello cat, and then the cat will connect by saying meow. And so yeah. So call connect, and now we're gonna put function. Now function is a little boolean, but well, it's not really boolean. Yeah. A function is basically just kind of like this function that we're writing, except it's just a little short word for, you just have to put it there. Why? Because, well, you have to put it there because you have to run functions and events with that keyword. And now you're going to put open bracket, close bracket, and you'll find these things. Now we're going to make variable. Now, we talked about variables in the last part, so let's do it again shortly. So we're going to put PLR. Now this will stand for the player, whoever is playing the game. Now this will be a client script, so it will only work for the one that's playing the game and everyone else too. So we're gonna put hello dot dot player, which is the keyword that we added, and we're gonna put name. Now name is basically getting the child's name. If you don't know what this is, let me show you. The child is basically workspace. It's getting your character's name by like what it's named, and yeah. And so now what you need to do, put 2 dots, and we're gonna put the string values again, and put, well, actually no, just yeah. We're just gonna put hello player name. So now, if we run this, it should say hello Kitty Thor 12.
Bruh.
Small mistake. So, as you all know, people make mistakes. So, I recently added that I forgot to put the end.
Bruh.
Whoops. Sorry guys, but yeah. So we put end and another thing like that, and there you go. You have to always end functions with the end thing, or else they won't work. So now let's try it again, and it should say Hello Kitty 12. There we go. And there it is. It says Hello Kitty Thor 12. That's one way to do it. Oh yes. So Kitty Thor 12, basically it's getting the character's name, and yeah. Oh whoops. Why did I add in this?
Bruh.
Whoops. How did that get there? Anyway. So yeah, that is printing. Now we're gonna also put some more stuff in later
Why you
videos.
bully me?
Probably in the new detail series I'll probably make eventually. But yeah, this is printing. Printing basically allows you to do server stuff, and it's kind of useful. Actually, it is useful for making sure that scripts actually run well. So that was technically, well, you get it. It's basically, Sorry guys. Anyway, that's basically printing. So hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck, peace, have fun, and make sure to smell those dead memes.